guys, it's RLC's 321 Fantastic Plastic coming back again with another unboxing video for your pleasure and my pain. No, your pleasure, my pleasure as well. And this one is a slightly more expensive. The other one I got for about £5 on eBay. The Kazon fighter ship I got on eBay for about £5. The second kit I also got as a special deal on eBay again, but it was like 25 quid. Now normally I've seen these kits go for like 125, 75, you know. One of them was even trying to charge 180, but fair enough, that did have all the fibre optic kit in. Mine doesn't have a fibre optic kit. So without further ado, oh good god, it's heavy. Yeah, baby. The USS Starship Enterprise D. Oh, I love the Next Generation series, and I like the shape of the D. It's different. It's not like what you any other Star Trek ship out there. I will be needing to buy the Aztec decals for it and the photo etch parts, because obviously I'm going to be lighting this as well. Yes, of course I'm going to be lighting the damn thing. Why wouldn't you light it? And you need the lighting kit to I'll show you when I open the box up. Yeah, we do that. We do that. Yeah, we go. So on like here, these parts here, you're gonna need to channel that out, put a channel out so you can run the wires through, and the photo etch parts will cover that area for you. Brilliant idea. The instructions, this is from AMT Ertl, is actually relatively easy because there's not a lot of parts to this kit. The bulk of it is with the saucer section. Shows you the Aztecian pattern there, and it's interesting. It's not actually telling you the colours to actually do. That's interesting. And then you got there you go. And this looks like it's just decal placements for the most part. Then you got the original decals that came with the kit as well, which look quite interesting. They may still be usable, but I want to see if the actual Aztec decals comes with these kinds of decals. If not, I'll just use these, it's fine. Let's put that over there. Right, this has been opened, so it's, as you can see, it has been opened, but all the parts are there. I have checked. So here's your captain's yacht thing right there. I believe that's the captain's yacht. There's your stand, and that's the other stand for if you have the saucer sections separate. I'm not gonna have the saucer section come separate with it. No, I am not having that. It's just going to be like just the normal ship. Yep, just the normal ship on display. Either that one, but that one's actually bigger, but it looks cooler. Don't know, but either way. So what else have we got here? Look at all of those teeny tiny windows, which I have to drill out because obviously this is not the clear version, so I have to drill out every single one of these windows. Well, not every single one, because you don't want the whole thing lit. Every single window wouldn't be on. I think I've mentioned that before. So loads of windows there to drill out. Then we got our, what's these called? You're going this way, isn't you? How you glue it on. Then we have, right, it doesn't look like it hasn't got very many. It's gonna be, oh, it's not fitting together because of these, so we're gonna have to get rid of these before we even try to fit it together, because it's just not playing. But even this again has even more miniature windows. Okay. We've got our nacelles, and that's the wrong. No, that's right. Yep, that's right. And so we've got our nacelles there. Obviously, we're going to have the clear blue part that goes in there, and everything there. And then we got our top and bottom saucer sections, which this does have guide pins at the front. That's one in, and the other one doesn't want to play. Why don't you want to play? There's the hole. Find the hole. That's it. There we go. Right. So that's the, again, lots and lots of windows. We need to make sure we paint inside there a grey before we put it together as well. We've got more windows on the bottom of the hull. So then you're going to have these going on there. It's like that. And then obviously we're going to have the neck section going in. Is that the right way around? Yes, it is. Yeah. The neck. It's going to be a pain in my backside, isn't it? There we go. That's it. So the neck is going to go something like that. Anyway, you know, a little bit something like that. Here is the bridge. It looks like someone's already drilled a hole out on the top there. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like someone's already drilled a hole. And we've got a bag of clear parts here. So we've got our two warp engines. We've got our impulse engines there. We've got the front sensor deflector dish, impulse, and our warp engines, which is going to be good. And finally, we have our saucer sections. It's quite a big saucer as well. I am looking forward to doing it, but again, a lot of windows. A lot of windows, but luckily these are a little bit bigger. And let's have a look at the underside as well. And the underside, the windows are only on this edge here, so that's not too bad. I mean, there's an awful lot of lifeboats on this ship, an awful lot. But yeah, so yeah, it looks like he's definitely tried to drill, possibly even tried to glue it in the past as well, but luckily it didn't set and he's pulled it out, because you can see where he's tried to drill in there as well. And again, we've got to paint the inside here the grey as well. Now I do believe normally, yeah, here we go. Yeah, so on the front side there's also little windows on the edges here. That is going to be awkward to do, just for the plain and simple reason there's none on the top section. None on the top, on the top of the saucer section, because they should be on here as well, but they're not. And the plastic is quite thin there, so I'm not going to be able to get the light to go through there anyway. So I'm not going to be lighting the ones that are supposed to be at the front. Same on here. I'm not going to light these. I'll just have these all black and not light it. But yeah, no, it's going to look really cool. I'm not having a phaser effect or anything like that, because I don't think I can do things like that. I'm just going to have it as a basic light, not necessarily basic lighting, but a nice lighting in there, making it look good. And yeah, so that's the Enterprise D. Now I am also looking forward to building. Let's put that back in there. So actually, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it up to you guys. Right? Once I've finished the 3 kits that I've mentioned before. So I've got the client's Voyager. I've got the client's Voyager to finish. My JJ prize. And the USS Franklin. Once I finish those, which of those 2 kits should I build next? I'll let you guys decide which one to build, either the Enterprise D or the Kazon Fighter. That's your choice on that one. And whatever one gets the most votes within, let's say, 2 weeks, just put it in the comments. Whichever one you want to see me build, let me know, and excuse me, and I'll build it. Alright then guys, so I'm going to say again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.